Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up cost of goods and bundle costs in TrueProfit. First, from your dashboard, go to Cost of Goods. Quick refresher: COGS, or cost of goods sold, is the direct cost of the products you sell. Usually that's what you pay your supplier, or what it costs you to produce the item. Now, let's talk about bundle costs. If your supplier offers cheaper pricing when you buy more units, set bundle costs here so TrueProfit calculates the right cost per unit and your profit stays accurate. You can set bundles at one level only, either product level or variant level, not both. Let's start with product level bundles. Find the product you want, then click the Zero Bundles button. Product level means whatever you set here will apply to all variants. Here's a quick example. Let's say your supplier pricing looks like this. 1 unit is $9, 2 units are $15, and 3 units are $20. All you need to do is enter the quantity and the total cost for each tier exactly as your supplier provides it. TrueProfit will handle the math behind the scenes and keep everything accurate. If you need different bundle costs for specific variants, you'll want to use variant level bundles instead. Just keep in mind, if you already set product level bundles, you'll need to delete them before switching to variant level. Variant level bundles apply only to that specific variant. One more thing, originally, your COGS came from Shopify. When you added a cost manually, TrueProfit automatically switches the source from Shopify to manual, and you'll see that clearly in the icon here, so you always know where the cost is coming from. If you're working with a big catalog, filters can help a lot. You can filter by product status: active, draft, or archived, or quickly find products where COGS is still 0. When you're done, hit save. We'll automatically update the COGS values, and you'll see them reflected in your order report. That's it. Hope this makes it easy to set up COGS and bundle costs. Thanks for watching.